Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. So I hope you guys are staying blessed. I hope you guys are doing well. So today I'm bringing you guys this beautiful makeup look inspired by two of my beautiful subscribers, of course. In my last video I had let you guys know, or I had asked you guys to leave comments, tell me what other looks you would like to see, specifically with the eyeshadow, what color combos and all of that. So I have Slane, who said I would love to see a look with purples and pinks. Okay, well, she had two suggestions, and I would like to see a smoky eye as well with black and browns or gold. And also Becky O'Bara said smoky eyes next, please. I don't think you've done a smoky eye look before. She's right about that. She's a loyal subscriber, I can already tell, because she knows I actually have not done one on my channel, which is surprising, but yeah, I actually haven't. And she also says, I'm going to buy this palette because of you. Whoa, thank you so much, Becky O'Bara. That really means a lot to me, and I hope that you have as much fun with this palette as I do, and I hope to see you create beautiful looks. With that being said, if you guys want to see how I achieved this black smoky eye, then please keep on watching. Okay, yeah, that's enough. Alright guys, so I'm coming with you guys with my face pretty much already done, because today I'm going to be focusing just on my eyes, strictly on my eyes. Whenever I do my makeup first and then I do my eyeshadow looks, and especially on camera, I'm talking and I'm moving and it's breaking up, to smaller particles, and then it'll separate and then it just looks horrible. So, but today, honestly, you guys, I just felt like just coming to you guys with just my eye look. I really did not feel like filming everything. If you guys want to see how I achieve, I usually highlight and contour, let me know and I will film a separate video. If not, you can just watch all my other videos. I usually try to show my whole face beat. Okay guys, so since we're this close, if you guys see any smile lines or anything that looks weird on my face, or just something funny and ick, just ignore it, you guys. There's no perfection. I'm not perfect and neither are you, so yeah. Let's keep on going. I'm going to be delving into the James Charles palette. I'm actually really having a lot of fun with this palette. He has the perfect colors for a smoky eye. I'm not even gonna lie, these colors right here are just they're exactly what I'm going to use, so why dip into more than one palette when it's all right there? Shoot. Just want to make your life hot. So this is Code James right here. Just saturating that brush here. So we're just gonna go, you know what's clearly I'm a little too excited. Okay, so let's backtrack a little bit. We're gonna actually start off with the Age Rewind concealer, and that's what I'm just going to use to prime my eyes. And of course, your girl is always using too much of this product, but hey, it's part of the fun. So we're gonna just blend it out. Actually, I may not have used too much product today. Look at God. Wow. Alright, now let's go back into Code James. Pretty much we're just going to apply Code James above. Just first of all, I think let's pack it on. We'll pack it on first. Create that beautifulness. Just pack it on. For a lot of shadows, now I pack it on and then I spread, and I find that by doing this, actually I actually get more bang for my buck. The color shows more, and then it also, by packing it on, also I'm usually helping to set my concealer without creasing my concealer, and then I will go ahead and just blend it out like so. Okay, so next I'm actually gonna go in with this, what company is this from? What? This is LA Girl. Yeah, this is LA Girl. I'm gonna go with this LA Girl Pro HD High Definition Eyeshadow Primer, and this is in the color black. Okay, so it's really important or essential that whenever you're doing real smoky eyes and you want that black to be like the blackest black you've ever seen, going in with like a darker like eyeshadow primer will help that. Like pretty much the base is already dark, so you're pretty much just like topping off of it, and then it'll make your eyes look a lot more smoky. However, it's important also that you don't overdo this product, because it's easy to overdo and then you just have a huge black smoke. So usually I try to keep it underneath my mobile lid. I don't know if you can see, like my mobile lid is pretty much whenever you see like right below my crease. Okay, make sure it doesn't pass that crease line like I said. I'm just using like a precise blending brush and I'm moving it up to my crease. So now that we're pretty much at the crease line, now we're going to go into Spooky, which is the black color, and you're just going to take some of Spooky right here. Oh, look at that fall light Spooky entering that pink chai. So for Spooky, we're just going to pat Spooky on first before we blend Spooky out. Spooky is a very pretty black. But see how much easier it is for that black to just show on as black, especially because of the base I'm using. Okay, so now I'm going to just blend Spooky out a little bit. And Spooky is gonna be the one that kind of like start pushing up on that like crease line border. Okay, so the leftover on my brush of Spooky is gonna start pushing up on that left, like on my crease line. Okay, so now I'm going in with 10% off, which is this color right here. And 10% is off. I'm going to pretty much use it to blend in these two colors together. So it needs to start bringing in the look. Okay. And then you're pretty much just going to go back and forth until you're happy with the blend that you have between like Spooky, 10% off, and then code James. So yeah, for just the typical smoky eye, like this is pretty much it. You don't have to do too much. You don't have to break your back. You don't have to bend your head. Another thing I really like to do whenever I have a smoky eye is to pretty much just highlight my brow bone really well, and then my inner corners as well. Okay, so for today I'm going to use the Vanoste Cosmetics. I learned how to say the name, you guys, in the shade Glow for my highlighter. So just blend these two together. This Kajal eyeliner from Black Radiance. I'm gonna go in with lashes from the Lash box today. I think I'm just in the mood to try all of these lashes out. But let's opt for the most dramatic Lasgidi. So we're gonna do Lasgidi today. First off, let me do my lips. I feel like you guys are going to get really bored and eventually stop watching any of like the lip portion of my videos, because I will always reach out for the same lip liner. You guys need to get me off this lip liner, please. If anybody knows anything better, please suggest it to me now, because this, I don't know, this just fits every single thing, every single. Okay, so of course MAC Chestnut. I don't know why I'm looking at the name when I don't already know it. So I'm gonna go in with Fresh by LA Colors. Okay, so for my blush, I'm taking this blush from MAC, Raisin by MAC, okay? I'm just going to be applying that slowly. And for my highlights, again with Vanoste Cosmetics. Okay, can we talk about this level that I'm on now? Like, Jesu. Coming in, I don't know what I'm saying. Oh, okay, this highlight is really taking, it is, whoa, like, oh my god. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope you guys learned something new. I hope you guys loved what you saw. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, please take a minute, not even up to a minute, just a second of your time and hit that big red button down below. And like my friend Chi, Makeup by Chi rather, always says, make sure you ring that bell, or make that bell ring, okay? So pretty much hit the notifications bell as well as the subscribe button. That way you get all the notifications whenever I post. Like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let's get interactive in the comment section. I love talking to you guys via comment. Yeah, go ahead and share this video with all my future family members. Share it with a makeup lover, share it with your mom, share it with your girlfriend, share it with your side chick, share it with your house, just share this video. You guys, we are almost at 2K. We are on the road to 2K and I'm so ecstatic. We just hit 1,800 subscribers the other day and I'm blown away. I literally remember like the beginning of this year being at like 300 or 500 subscribers, and I mean, to some of you this growth might not be much, but to me it means a lot because I'm seeing, I started putting a lot more work and effort into my channel and I can clearly see the growth that it has amassed in this 1 year. So I'm so thankful to you guys and I love you guys so much. I know I don't say it a lot, but I do. So thank you, and please share, please like, please comment, follow me on all my social media platforms as well, and by the grace of God I will see you guys in my next one. Stay beautiful, choose you, God bless.